Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox my new Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Okay, and this video, first of all, I will show you all accessory inside that box, and after that we will set up it together from the beginning until we can use this Smart Band 7. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, all accessory inside the box. We have this Mi Band 7 user manual, the strip, I don't know how it called. It's for use to clip that band, and then we have the charger cable, and there is no adapter, so all accessory we can use only these three, and this just a box and the manual. So I take it away. Okay, and we can just input the strip into the band. Okay, just input to that position like this, so you can use this position or another position. We can just make to that position. It is possible to input it. Okay, so which position you like. For example, if you just want to use that position or that position, you can rotate the band through the strip. Okay, and this charger cable is the magnetic cable, so you can just put it to back of the band, and then it will magnetic the band. Okay, now after we take out everything, and you will see your band here, and first of all it will just show you the QR code, and all you need to do, you need to download the mobile app on your smartphone, and now let's do it together. Okay, and let's keep the band here. Okay, first of all you need to go to your smartphone app store and search for this word Mi Fit, and then you will see this app store Zap Life, and in this one is Mi Fit. Install it and just wait for application to install, and after that you can pair your Mi Band with your smartphone. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now it already installed the app, and you just press open it, and you can choose to connect with your Facebook or your Gmail account. So I mostly connect with my Facebook. Okay, press connect, just a second, and now it's signed in with your Facebook. Go to setting, do not disturb access. Okay, and sync it back. Got it. Allow, allow, allow everything. Allow Zap Live to search connect device after turning on. Okay, and now we need to turn on the location, and then go to get back, You need to turn the Bluetooth on, turn on your Bluetooth. And now it's connecting. Okay, and now it will show connecting for the history, but if you not yet connect, you need to press this plus button, select the band, agree, got it, allow, and then scan the QR code. And now tap on your band, and you need to face on your camera. Okay, and it's got scanned, and you need to press, and you need to put your band and your smartphone near each other, and now it connect, and you can just press tick on your band, and it link pairing successful. Okay, continue. You can choose a okay, I think this one is the guideline. Just a second. Okay, user guide. Okay, now you can see the band screen is already show up on the screen, and you can play around with it. But now we need to play around with the app first. Couldn't connect, data loss continue anyway. Okay, scene. Okay, it's connect, and then we get start. And we can now change this logo, so it's default logo, it's the same as this one. And to change it, you just need to go to store, and you will see all the available smartphone screen, and you can see all the available logo here. For example, I choose this one, and then we see the watch face, and you can see synthing, and then it's enable, and now you can see it's changing. And now I want to change to this logo, sin. Okay, sin successfully. And then you can play around with the band. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing and set up this smart band 7 Xiaomi. And for the next video, I will show you some more options about this band. And this video we just end up with this option for not to make the video too long. It will make you boring with my show. And now, thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.